are you doing?
That makes him do it even more.
Caleb, what are you doing? I hope you plan on putting all those back. Caleb. Hey. Hey, you. Hey, excuse me. Hey. Hello?
Look what he's doing.
What are you doing? You made a mess. Look at all of this mess. Hey. Hey, you. Excuse me. You're making a mess.
No. No.